If you've been looking for a video that can help you get rid of stretch marks at home, please watch this video because I'll be showing you the home remedy you can use to get rid of stretch marks. Do you have stretch marks due to childbirth or due to weight gain? Where is the stretch marks located? Is it on your leg, on your arm, or on your stomach? Wherever it's located on your body, just watch this video and I'll be showing you the home treatment you can use to fade away stretch marks. Your stretch mark will be invisible after 1 month of using this treatment. You see, this treatment, it will help to fade away your stretch marks. But let me tell you guys one thing you have to bear in mind. Know that stretch marks cannot completely disappear from your skin unless you undergo a cosmetic procedure. But this treatment will help to fade the stretch mark, like it will be invisible on your skin. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do is to get a pot. Place the pot on the cooker, add water and start boiling the water. I already boiled water in my kettle to make it faster. So I'll pour the water into the pot, and the next thing is to get a plate, get a heat resistant plate, a plate that cannot break when you add it into the hot water. Then you go ahead and get your carrier oil. For this video, I'll be using shea butter. You can make use of cold pressed coconut oil or Blue Seal Vaseline. So go ahead and get either of them. If you don't have original shea butter, you can make use of cold pressed coconut oil or Blue Seal Vaseline, okay? So now I'll go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of it into the plate. Guys, I don't like making this in a large quantity because I don't add any cosmetic preservative in it. So I make the one I can use for about 1 month. Then after 1 month, I prepare another one. But if you're going to be making the one you have to use for a longer time, then you need to add cosmetic preservative. I like using Jama preservative. That's if I'll be adding any preservative in my DIYs. Okay, so in case if you want to add, you can get Jama preservative. Okay, so now I'll add the shea butter. This is original shea butter. Original shea butter helps the skin very well. Like, it's very beneficial to the skin. It helps to heal the skin. It helps to increase skin elasticity. It helps to moisturize the skin. You know, it helps to naturally improve your skin hydration and enhance your skin. So I prefer using shea butter to Vaseline. But if I don't have Vaseline, my second option will be cold pressed coconut oil. Okay, guys. So I will keep on stirring it until the shea butter melts. Once it melts, the next thing I will be adding is bio oil. This bio oil helps to fade away stretch marks. I used this oil when I was pregnant, and guys, believe me when I say I have little to no stretch marks on my tummy. It helped me. And to make it work better, like to make it work more, this is how I mix it before using it. So go ahead and add some amount of bio oil into the treatment. Bio oil is already made to help fade away stretch marks. It's already made to help diminish the signs of stretch marks on the skin. Okay, so add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of it into the plate. Then the next thing you need to add is vitamin E oil. Go ahead and get vitamin E oil. If you have the capsule one, you can make use of it. For me, this is the one I'll be using. I'll go ahead and add some drops of vitamin E oil into it because vitamin E oil is also very beneficial to the skin. It helps to promote skin regeneration and repair the skin. It also helps to fade away stretch marks and minimize the appearances of fine lines. Now it's time to add some drops of tea tree oil. So we are going to be adding tea tree oil because it's also beneficial to the skin. Tea tree oil helps to enhance skin elasticity. It also helps to contribute gradual reduction of stretch marks. So add some drops of tea tree oil into it. But one mistake you should never make is applying tea tree oil directly on your skin. For tea tree oil to work for you, you must mix it with another oil or with another carrier oil. So now we are done. I'll take it off the cooker. And once I take it off the cooker, the next thing I have to do is to get a very clean container and transfer it into the container. Try to get a container that has a lid because you need to cover it so that anytime you have to make use of it, it will still be in a good condition. So this is how you apply this treatment. After taking your shower at night, you go ahead and use it to moisturize those areas you have stretch marks. If you have it on your body, on your tummy, on your leg, on your thighs, wherever you have it, go ahead and massage it this way into your skin. Once that is done, you leave it there. You don't need to wash it out. So this treatment will solidify once it cools down because I used shea butter. Right now it's still in a liquid form, but once it cools down, it's going to solidify. And when it solidifies, you can still make use of it. Okay, guys, I will leave it and show you guys what it looks like when it solidifies. Okay, so now I will let it cool down. So this is some hours, it has cooled down, and this is what it looks like. As you all can see, it has solidified, and once it solidifies, you don't need to worry about anything. Just go ahead and take small amount of it and still apply it on the places you have the stretch marks. This is the same way you use it to treat stretch marks, whether in solid or in liquid state. You can still make use of it and it will work very well. Please, if you watched to this point, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye. For the remaining one, just cover it and keep on your kitchen counter, okay? Anytime you want to make use of it, just bring it out and apply it on your skin. Bye.